What's up you guys, it's your boy and I am back for another video. So, this is not to brag pero gusto ko lang kayo bigyan ng idea kung saan masarap mamili ng sapatos online. Let's go! So guys, for all those people who know this application, it's called Zalora. This is not a paid sponsor. Wala rin naman sila karapatan para bayaran ako. Pero, the reason why masarap mag-shopping dito, it is because, guys, tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kalaki sila magbigay ng discount for Nike shoes. Ang laki ng discount nila. Imagine from 6,000, they brought it down to 5,700. Tapos binigyan ka pa nila ng 33% discount down to 4,000 pesos. This is really a good deal. And aside from that, kung titignan mo to, itong mga sapatos na to, syempre, binili ko yung mga yan. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na bukod doon, if you are an HSBC okay, sorry for the advertisement, dumating ang nanay ko. But, ayun na nga, so if you have a Union Bank credit card at HSBC credit card, pwede nyo pa yan makuha ng installments from 3 to 6 months, 0%. Yun lang naman ang gusto kong i-share. Thank you.